Good afternoon, and for today's Thundering Thursday, we'll be taking a look at the older, original Warlord games, plastic Commandos. You get 25 models in here, as opposed to the 30 in the new set. However, the big difference is that we get the individual weapon sprues rather than the weapons modelled onto the arms. So, this is packed by Morella. Thank you. Now, let's have a closer look at the sprues. So, let's have a look. So we get 5 poses per sprue, with the kneeling pose being split over 3 pieces. We get 8 heads. So we get a choice of 3 regular helmets, 2 of which are netted, 3 helmets with camouflage, and 4 berets. What is interesting is that we do not get the cap comforters, whereas the newer kit comes with cap comforters and berets, but without the helmets. So we get the 5 heavy Bergens. They are respirator or gas mask bags, entrenching tool and water bottle, and then assorted arms. So if we look at the list, the arms are paired for the different weapons. But one advantage that this set has over the more modern set is that you can give them captured equipment. So, again, unlike the modern kit, we only get a Bren gun. Well, we get 3 Bren gun. We get, whereas the modern kit gets the Vickers K, and I think a Bren as well. We get 2 Sten, 2 Thompson, the Piat, 50mm mortar, scoped rifle, and excuse the Wookiees, and we get 7 rifle options, 3 shovels, and numerous bandoliers and pouches. Now, we do get 3 of these, so your math is better than mine. So we're going to get 21 rifles, handful of pistols, 3 Bren, 6 Thompson, 6 Sten, 3 Piat, etc, etc. So this will make an interesting start to my next army, which will obviously be Commandos, but may see the addition of the newer set added as well. So I've got a bit of variety in poses and equipment. Thank you.